Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing what matters. Check compatibility and ensure at least two 4GB free. Once done, open Garageband and pick a project type. Voice if you're recording, empty project for full control. Make a new track right away. Choose audio for mic or software instrument for MIDI. Set the song tempo and 44. 1 kHz sample rate so your audio aligns with standard output. This gets you into the app with a working canvas, not just idle setup instructions. Now you record and sculpt. Select your input and enable monitoring so you hear performance in real time. Set gain so peaks sit around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Use the metronome with a 1-bar count-in to lock rhythm and record multiple takes. Garageband saves them as takes you can comp together. Once you have clips, trim and apply fades to remove noise, then use EQ to clear frequencies and light compression to glue the sound. Make incremental edits and listen between changes. Finish by mixing. Balance levels, pan for width, and add reverb or delay sparingly to create depth. Automate volume for dynamic clarity and check your mix in headphones and speakers. When ready, export via Share Export Song to Disk and pick WAV for fidelity or MP3/AAC for smaller files. If you hear latency, crackling, or a CO-like delays, lower the audio buffer size, update drivers, and restart GarageBand. If problems persist, try a different USB port or a powered hub for your interface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.